On August 20th, 1977, humanity unknowingly wrote the opening line to one of the strangest mysteries in space exploration. A small spacecraft called Voyager 2, no larger than a family car, was launched into the cosmos with a simple mission: explore the outer planets of our solar system. At the time, few expected it to last more than a decade. But what began as a bold planetary tour soon turned into something far bigger, something no one could have predicted. Decades passed, and the little probe kept going, outliving expectations, crossing boundaries thought unreachable, and venturing further than any human-made object had ever gone. Then, just when most assumed its story was nearing a quiet end, Voyager 2 sent back images and data that shocked even the most skeptical scientists. The pictures it captured defied explanation, hinting at something vast, structured, and possibly watching us. But the real fear came not from what Voyager 2 saw, but from what it did afterward, changing its orientation without command, as if reacting to a presence no one could explain. What followed were whispers of countdowns, hidden transmissions, and a warning that may point to a date humanity cannot ignore. This isn't just the story of a machine drifting into the dark. This is the story of how Voyager 2 may have stumbled upon something we were never meant to see. Voyager 2 was never built to become a legend. It was constructed at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in the 1970s as part of a daring plan to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment. Once every 76 years, the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, line up in such a way that a spacecraft can slingshot from one to the next, using their gravity, saving time and fuel. This opportunity was too extraordinary to ignore, and so two identical spacecraft were built: Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. While Voyager 1 was given a faster route and would eventually pass its sibling in speed and distance, Voyager 2 was designed to travel the longer path, visiting all 4 giant planets and capturing images and data that had never been seen before. At the time of its launch on August 20, 1977, no one could have predicted how far its journey would stretch or how much it would reveal. It carried with it not just scientific instruments, but also a golden record, a message to any intelligent life it might encounter, containing sounds, languages, and music from Earth, a time capsule of humanity etched into metal. To scientists, Voyager 2 was a tool to expand our understanding of the solar system, but to dreamers, it was also a messenger, a symbol of humanity's yearning to reach beyond its small world. With each passing year, Voyager 2 defied expectations, continuing its mission long after its original timeline, fueled by radioisotope thermoelectric generators and guided by commands sent across billions of miles. What started as a simple exploration of planets was slowly becoming an odyssey into the unknown. The journey of Voyager 2 through the vastness of space is one of the most remarkable stories in human history, not only because of its technological achievement, but also because of the sheer distances it has covered. After leaving Earth in 1977, it first approached Jupiter in 1979, capturing breathtaking images of the planet's swirling storms and volcanic activity on its moon, Io. Discoveries that reshaped our understanding of planetary science. 2 years later, it swept past Saturn, revealing the intricate structure of its rings and moons, sending back data that scientists are still analyzing today. Voyager 2 then continued toward Uranus in 1986, becoming the only spacecraft to ever visit the pale blue giant, where it discovered new moons and noted its extreme tilt and faint ring system. Just 3 years later, in 1989, it made its final planetary flyby at Neptune, offering humanity its first close look at the distant ice giant and its largest moon, Triton, with its icy geysers erupting into space. Each of these encounters extended Voyager 2's role as a pioneer, going further than any mission before it, and unlocking mysteries of the solar system's most remote worlds. After Neptune, its trajectory sent it out of the planetary neighborhood altogether, moving steadily toward the edge of the solar system and into interstellar space. Decades later, in 2018, Voyager 2 officially crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind yields to the interstellar medium, making it only the second human-made object after Voyager 1 to enter this uncharted frontier. Even now, despite its vast distance of more than 12 billion miles from Earth, it continues to send faint signals home, proving that its long journey is not just about distance, but about persistence, discovery, and the relentless curiosity of humanity. The significance of Voyager 2's mission lies not only in its scientific achievements, but also in what it represents for humanity as a whole, as it embodies the desire to explore, to push boundaries, and to seek knowledge beyond what is immediately visible. Through its discoveries, Voyager 2 has expanded the frontiers of science, revealing the complexity of planetary systems and proving that even the most distant worlds hold mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It has shown us that moons can be geologically active, that planetary atmospheres can behave in unexpected ways, and that the edges of our solar system are dynamic and alive with forces that interact with the interstellar medium. Beyond science, Voyager 2 carries a symbolic message of unity through the Golden Record, a time capsule of sounds, music, greetings and images chosen to represent life and culture on Earth, intended for any potential extraterrestrial civilization that might encounter the spacecraft. This gesture reflects humanity's collective voice reaching out into the cosmos, transcending divisions of nationality, race, or belief, and instead presenting Earth as a shared home. The mission also demonstrates the power of perseverance, as engineers and scientists continue to communicate with a spacecraft launched more than 4 decades ago, adapting to its fading power and aging instruments, while still drawing valuable data from it. In this sense, Voyager 2 is more than a machine. It is a symbol of human ingenuity, resilience, and the timeless quest to understand our place in the universe. It reminds us that exploration is not only about reaching new places, but also about expanding the imagination of what is possible for future generations. Voyager 2's journey through the outer planets of the solar system marked one of the most extraordinary scientific achievements in space exploration, as it became the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune, unlocking secrets about worlds that had previously been little more than distant points of light in the night sky. When Voyager 2 flew by Uranus in 1986, it revealed a planet with an unusual tilt of 98 degrees, essentially rolling around the sun on its side, which gave scientists new insights into planetary dynamics and axial shifts. The spacecraft also discovered 10 new moons, 2 new rings, and observed the planet's strangely featureless atmosphere dominated by hydrogen, helium, and methane, though later analysis revealed subtle details such as weak cloud patterns and a surprisingly strong magnetic field tilted away from the planet's axis. This encounter transformed Uranus from a mysterious body into a complex world deserving of further study. 3 years later, in 1989, Voyager 2 reached Neptune, offering humanity its first close-up look at the most distant planet in the solar system. The spacecraft revealed the stunningly dynamic atmosphere of Neptune, marked by fierce winds, the fastest recorded in the solar system, and massive storms such as the Great Dark Spot, which rivaled Jupiter's Great Red Spot in scale and intensity. Voyager 2 also discovered 6 new moons, confirmed the presence of faint ring systems, and unveiled Triton, Neptune's largest moon, as one of the most geologically active bodies ever observed, with geysers of nitrogen erupting from beneath its icy surface. These encounters not only expanded humanity's understanding of planetary science, but also demonstrated the importance of curiosity and exploration in unlocking the mysteries of the solar system's farthest reaches. By visiting Uranus and Neptune, Voyager 2 provided the only detailed data we have of these ice giants, making its contributions irreplaceable and cementing its legacy as a pioneer in uncovering the unknown. After completing its historic encounters with the outer planets, Voyager 2 continued its journey toward the edge of the solar system, crossing into what is known as the heliosphere, the vast bubble of charged particles and magnetic fields created by the Sun that surrounds and protects our solar system. For decades, the spacecraft traveled through this turbulent region, sending back crucial data about the solar wind, cosmic rays, and the structure of the boundary between our solar system and interstellar space. In November 2018, Voyager 2 achieved a milestone when it officially crossed the heliopause, the outermost boundary of the heliosphere, entering interstellar space and becoming only the second human-made object after Voyager 1 to do so. Unlike its twin, Voyager 2's plasma science instrument was still functioning, which allowed it to make the first direct measurements of the density and temperature of the plasma outside the heliosphere, offering scientists groundbreaking insights into the nature of the space between the stars. These observations confirmed that the environment beyond the Sun's influence is vastly different, with cosmic rays and interstellar particles dominating instead of solar wind. Voyager 2's entry into interstellar space marked a profound moment in human history, as the spacecraft carried with it the voices and music of Earth, symbolized by the golden record, into a realm beyond our solar system. Its continued ability to transmit data across billions of miles demonstrated not only the durability of human engineering, but also the enduring spirit of exploration that drives humanity to push beyond its limits. Even as its power diminishes, Voyager 2 remains a sentinel at the edge of interstellar space, carrying human curiosity and knowledge into the unknown, forever extending our reach into the cosmos. Voyager 2's journey into interstellar space has given scientists an unprecedented opportunity to study the boundary between our solar system and the vast unknown beyond, shedding light on mysteries that were once only the subject of theory. By continuing to operate in such an extreme environment, the spacecraft provides invaluable data that helps researchers understand how the Sun interacts with the galaxy and how protective bubbles like the heliosphere shield planetary systems from harmful cosmic radiation. Its discoveries have challenged old assumptions and opened new questions about the dynamics of interstellar plasma, the structure of the galactic magnetic field, and the distribution of cosmic rays. For humanity, Voyager 2 represents more than just a scientific mission. It is a symbol of endurance, exploration, and the limitless potential of curiosity. While its power supply gradually declines and its instruments are slowly shut down to conserve energy, the spacecraft remains a beacon of what human ingenuity can achieve, inspiring new generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers to imagine what lies beyond the stars. In the years to come, Voyager 2 will drift silently through the Milky Way, long after it stops transmitting, carrying the golden record as a time capsule of Earth's culture and identity, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. Its continuing legacy lies not only in the science it provides, but also in the way it unites people across the globe with a shared sense of wonder and purpose, reminding us that exploration is part of our nature and that the boundaries we cross today pave the way for the discoveries of tomorrow. The golden record aboard Voyager 2 stands as one of humanity's most profound gestures of hope and connection, a symbolic time capsule intended to communicate the essence of life on Earth to any intelligent beings that may encounter the spacecraft in the distant future. Crafted with great care and foresight, the record contains a rich tapestry of sounds, images, and greetings in multiple languages, representing the diversity of cultures, the beauty of nature, and the achievements of human civilization. From the sounds of birdsong and ocean waves to music ranging from classical compositions to traditional folk songs. The record attempts to tell the story of Earth in a universal language of art and sound. More than a scientific instrument, it is a cultural artifact that underscores humanity's desire to be known and remembered, to reach out beyond our planet and declare our existence in the cosmos. While the likelihood of it being discovered by another civilization is exceedingly small, the very act of creating and sending it reflects humanity's enduring optimism and curiosity. The Golden Record embodies the spirit of exploration, not just in the search for knowledge, but also in the search for connection, serving as a reminder that even as we look outward into the vast unknown, we carry within us a profound need to share who we are and where we come from. It elevates Voyager 2's mission from a purely scientific endeavor to a deeply human one, ensuring that no matter how far it travels or how long it drifts through the galaxy, it carries with it the voice of our world and the story of our shared existence. Voyager 2 is more than just a spacecraft. It is a living symbol of humanity's boundless curiosity, resilience, and longing to connect with the universe beyond our home. Its journey across billions of miles and decades of time reflects our determination to seek knowledge, even when the answers lie in the cold and distant corners of space. Through its scientific discoveries, it has transformed our understanding of the solar system, revealing the grandeur of Jupiter's storms, the intricacies of Saturn's rings, the mysteries of Uranus and Neptune, and the boundary where the solar wind meets interstellar space. Yet beyond the data, Voyager 2 carries with it the Golden Record, a message of hope, culture, and identity that proclaims humanity's presence to the cosmos. Whether or not it is ever found, its existence alone is a triumph of imagination and unity, reminding us that we are a species capable of dreaming beyond the limits of our time. As Voyager 2 continues its silent journey into the eternal night, it represents both the smallness of our place in the universe and the greatness of our spirit to reach beyond it. It endures as a testament to what we can achieve when curiosity and courage guide us, and as a legacy that whispers into the stars that Earth and its people once dared to explore, to learn, and to hope.